GoSTEM is an acronym that stands for Greater Oregon Science, Technology, Engineering, and Math. The program gives students more opportunities to have a hands-on learning experience that's centered around core subjects. We believe that these 4 disciplines are key to moving our society forward by providing our youth with new opportunities for success.
Hi, my name is Engum. I'm the GoSTEM ambassador for Pendleton High School. I got introduced to STEM my freshman year when I participated in a CAD class where I started off just drawing and drafting basic blueprints and moved from there onto computers. After near the end of the year, we began to learn a program called SolidWorks, which I fell in love with. It's a 3D modeling program in which I began to excel at and competed in multiple competitions, winning prizes, and has really dictated my future and what I want to do with my career.
My name's Jennifer Pambrin, and I am the Regional Career and Technical Education Coordinator for the Intermountain Education Service District. When I think of CTE and STEM, they're really one and the same. STEM programs and CTE programs really have the same goals, and that is just to provide opportunities for kids to find relevance in their learning.
Another key to the success of the GoSTEM program is empowering the students and giving them the freedom to choose to get involved with the subject that they might want to pursue as a career.
I'm John Fisher. I'm the engineering teacher here at Hermiston High School. I've got some 3D printers behind me. We have a laser engraver and a vinyl cutter that we've been using in class too, and these products are allowing us to give students the opportunity to come up with an idea to solve a problem and see that idea come to fruition with a real product. This new technology in the classroom is giving students an introduction into the machines and technologies they may encounter in the workforce, which is going to give them the ability to have a better idea of how to solve tomorrow's problems.
I'm Heidi Sipe, and I'm superintendent of the Umatilla School District. Creating STEM opportunities for all students is important to me because I've seen the impact that STEM opportunities have on my own children, and I want those types of opportunities for all kids. STEM opportunities give them windows into jobs that they may not have seen before, career options that maybe they didn't even know existed. And so participating in a variety of STEM options exposes them to new ideas, pushes them to challenge themselves in new ways, and I think it's an incredible opportunity. And I'm fortunate for the opportunities that my own children have had in our community, and I'm really thankful that we can expand and learn from other communities so that there's even better opportunities here, and also that we can share ideas throughout the region. I'd love nothing more than to make Eastern Oregon a STEM hub in and of itself for the entire state.
I'm Kyle Sipe. I'm the 7th and 8th grade science teacher at Clara Brown Middle School in Umatilla.
How are you involved in STEM?
Well, I'm the head mentor or the head coach for FRC, which is the first robotics competition team in Umatilla.
When did you get involved in STEM?
I have been coaching Lego robotics for about 12 years. Started with Lego robotics, then moved into FRC. We were getting things started about 7 years ago, but we've had a team for 6 years. STEM's been important to my career because I kind of see how it energizes students and it makes them look at school in a different way. It motivates them in different ways. It's really easy to see how motivating it is. It's not a canned program where you're opening a textbook and kids are doing experiments. It's basic, just hands-on living material that kids are able to work with.
One of the things that I've seen in our area through the years is really an influx in STEM opportunities and also a change in attitude with students regarding STEM. It used to be really common for kids to talk about careers that they had seen locally. They wanted to be firefighters, they wanted to be teachers, they wanted to be nurses, and those were all great careers. But now when kids talk about careers, they're talking about going into film and editing, and they're talking about being animators, and they're talking about being auto designers and engineers. And it's fun because those aren't the types of jobs that we have locally in our area yet. So my hope is, as we continue to expand the opportunities, we continue to grow the enthusiasm around those types of careers, that our students will come back and reinvest in our Eastern Oregon communities and provide those opportunities for other workers and continue to build our region economically.
A STEM education is also really important to a child's learning because it provides students with opportunities for hands-on learning to solve real-world problems.
We had a collision with this quadcopter, and so our instructor instructed us to make replacements for it with a 3D printer.
Some of the STEM opportunities provided by the high school are college level math classes, which I participate in. They give me the math credits for college at an extremely reduced cost, which makes it easier for a lot of students. And it gives you the college experience while still in the high school setting, so you know what to expect when you go to college.
All right, I'm Tyler Davis. I'm the high school math teacher here at Stanfield High School. And the advantages to taking some of the college classes at the high school level is probably the biggest thing that I would see is math is probably one of the toughest classes students take in college, and they get to take it with somebody that they're very comfortable with, that they've been around. Most of my students, this is the fourth year I've had them, so there's no problems asking extra questions or coming in to see me, which might be a very different thing than at college, where you might be a little bit intimidated to see professors and stuff like that.
Another focus of education in Eastern Oregon has been striving to provide students with quality learning materials and environments. These efforts include constructing additions to the schools and stocking those new classrooms with state-of-the-art supplies.
Scott Carpenter, Assistant Principal at LaGrande High School.
Brett Baxter, Principal at LaGrande High School.
We're standing in the new CTE building, STEM building, that's focused on technical education for kids at LaGrande High School. This is the shop that will be a big improvement over what we had previously, and have industry standard technology and tools for kids to use and to explore trades with.
My name's JC and I'm a student at LaGrande High School, and right now I'm standing in the second greenhouse, which handles all of the hydroponics, which is growing plants without any soil at all. I'm excited to be in this class because I really enjoy learning about plants and herbs and how they grow and how to make them grow and how they can help people, and I just think it's really cool that we have the opportunity to have something so beneficial for students, and I think it's going to be really fun, and I can't wait to see what happens in the next 18 weeks.
My name is Heather Keniry. We're at LaGrande High School and I'm taking Human Body Systems from Mr. Wright, which I'm enjoying because it's a little bit different from some of the classes that I've taken recently, which is really fun because it's got a lot more of a biological aspect and it's focusing on human bodies and their biology.
I'm Doug Dalton, president of Baker Technical Institute. And in short, if I was to summarize what we do at Baker Technical Institute and what we're all about, it's providing a trained workforce for communities throughout our region in Eastern Oregon to thrive. We offer courses centered around welding and metal technology, the building trades and construction, agriculture, natural resources and environmental services, the healthcare services, and engineering. To have a thriving community, you have to have a trained workforce, and we feel like we're providing that link across the region.
I'm Tom Insko. I'm the president at Eastern Oregon University. I'm the beneficiary of having attained a STEM degree. I graduated with my math degree, and for 20 years in the private sector, I was able to see how I could manifest that degree into my career path and different kinds of jobs along my career development. And also through that, I've been able to experience where STEM really manifests itself in different aspects of careers. And so we as a university too are also looking for how do we interface with individuals that have maybe pursued a career in the trades, such as an electrician or a welder, where they actually have developed a lot of those STEM skills, but then we can build a degree program that connects them to the next step in their life. So it's still a STEM connected, but we have a bachelor's in applied science where then they can take those STEM skills to the business environment where maybe they want to go off and start their own small business and leverage those skills that they developed. So that's one way where we as a university are trying to connect our curriculum with other avenues to attain STEM skills, as well as providing that opportunity for those individuals to take the next step in their career advancement.
My name is Julie Keniry and I work for the Greater Oregon STEM Hub. And the Oregon STEM Hubs are really here to build connections between things that are already happening in our region. So there are a lot of people that really care about education and about improving the experience for students, offering them more ways to connect to real-world applications in school. And anyone can be involved in STEM education, and it's really important that everyone is involved. And that's really the main point of it, is that we get all of our community connected to educating our youth. I really love doing this work because it brings together people from all across communities. And GoSTEM is able to provide a space and support for this collaborative work to happen. And GoSTEM will continue to foster these connections and support our youth to envision all the possibilities for their future.